Check out this place. Not bad, huh? Hi. And have some lunch here. This is right outside of Bushkill Falls. Route 219. All right, let's have some lunch. Well, good morning, everybody. Bright and early in the morning here, 7 o'clock in the morning. Today's the day of the tour, and so we're going to head over there about 9:30. This tour costs $38, and we have 15 people in our group. They're going to go on the trip and on the tour, and so we're really looking forward to it. I wanted to touch on one thing. We came down through Lancaster County in Pennsylvania. Oh man, is that cool! If you ever get a chance to do that, go through Lancaster County. Big, heavy-duty horse and buggy, full-out Amish traditions, and just one beautiful farm after another. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. It really lives up to everything that you may have heard about it. So. Yep, anyway, so bright and early in the morning, just coffeeing up here now. We're going to head out. And so after the tour, by the way, is 4 hours long. So after the tour is over with, we'll probably do some lunch, and then we'll have to think about plan B. We're all set to go.